Welcome to exciting world of machine learning. Whether you're current about AI or looking to dive deep into the data, this is the perfect place to start. In this video, we are going to cover the basics of machine learning, what is it and how it's transforming industries around the world from healthcare to finance. ML is shaping the future and today you learn how it works, okay? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from the data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of talking a computer exactly what to do, we provide it with examples and it finds the patterns on its own. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised and unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each of these approaches has its own unique strengths and is used in different scenarios. Don't worry, I will break down in future videos. From the self-driving cars to Netflix recommendations, machine learning is everywhere you probably interact with today without even realizing it. If you're ready to explore this fantastic field, hit that subscribe button. In the next episode, we will deeper into how machine learning models are built from the ground up. Okay. So now, subscribe for more machine learning insights. So let's move to the computer screen and let's our first video about machine learning introduction. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Like I've told you into my introduction, this is our first video about the machine learning. And now in this series, I make one playlist. Okay, in this series I told you about machine learning, AI and all things. Okay, ML and AI, I told you all things. So now let's start our machine learning intro. So let's start it. Machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Which machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. If you don't know what is artificial intelligence, so in the next video I told you about that. Okay, please do not take a stress. Learning machines to imitate human intelligence. Artificial intelligence, narrow AI, machine learning, neural networks, big data, deep learning and strong AI. Machine learning, ML. Machine learning is short form is ML and ML is called machine learning. Traditional programming uses an algorithm to produce results from data. Data plus algorithm equals to results. Machine learning creates algorithms from data and results. Okay, data plus results equals to algorithms and data plus algorithms equals to results. Neural network, short form is NN. Okay, if someone say what is NN, so you first of all understand NN means neural networks. Neural network is a programming technique, a method used in machine learning, a software that learns from mistakes. Neural networks are based on how the human brain works, like how human brain works. Like if you think this is one I make one Python, like this is one comment I have made. So human brain thinks what is an error, so then human saying this is a one error. So this is neural networks are based on the human brain works. Neurons are sending messages to each other while the neurons are trying to solve a problem over and over again. It is strengthening the connections that lead to success and diminishing the connections that lead to failure. Neural networks. Perceptrons. The perceptron defines the first step into neural networks. It represents a single neuron with only one input layer and no hidden layers. perceptron learn how to program perceptron. Okay, neural networks. Neural networks are multi-layer perceptrons. Neural networks. In its simplest form, a neural network is made up from an input layer yellow and a hidden layer blue and output layer red. In the neural networks model, input data yellow are processed against a hidden layer blue before producing the final output red. The first layer. The yellow perceptrons are making simple decisions based on the input. Each single decision is sent to the perceptrons in the next layer. The second layer. The blue perceptrons are making decisions by weighing the results from the first layer. This layer make more complex decisions at a more abstract level than the first layer. Deep neural networks. Deep neural networks are made up of several hidden layers of neural networks that perform complex operations on massive amounts of data. Each successive layer uses the preceding layer as input. For instance, optical reading uses low layers to identify edges and higher layers to identify letters. Neural networks. In the deep dive neural networks model, input data yellow are processed against a hidden layer blue and modified against more hidden layers green to produce the final output red. The first layer. The yellow perceptrons making simple decisions based on the input. Each single decision is sent to the perceptrons in the next layer. The second layer. The blue perceptrons are making decisions by weighing the results from the first layer. This layer makes more complex decisions at the more abstract level than the first layer. The third layer. Even more complex decisions are made by the green perceptrons. Deep learning short form is DL. If somebody asks what is DL, so you say DL means deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. What? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning is responsible for the AI boom of the last years. Deep learning is an advanced type of ML that handles complex tasks like image recognition. This means like deep learning is an advanced type of machine learning, a very advanced type of machine learning that handles complex tasks. Machine learning is the subset of AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Machine learning uses the smaller data sets and deep learning uses the larger data sets. Machine learning trained by the humans and learn on its own and the machine learning is nothing, okay, and machine learning creates a simple algorithm, but deep learning creates a complex algorithms, okay. So here you can see it in today's video. I tell you about this, our first video about the machine learning introduction, and in today's video I tell you about like neural networks and deep learning. What is deep learning? Okay, you must know these all things in this video, because when in the upcoming videos I tell you about the artificial intelligence. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. I appreciate your support through. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let know your friends about this course about too, and please access my playlist and bookmark it. If you not check my whole playlist yet, So move on to the codewithpk.com, codewithpk.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access my playlist. So now I made you next class where we'll learn about the machine artificial intelligence. Okay, and please access this playlist because in this playlist I told you all thing about the machine learning, artificial intelligence, all thing we learn in this series. Okay, so now I meet you next class and next very amazing class like that. So for today, goodbye.